Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a thriving vegan lifestyle? Discover the essential nutrients you might be missing and how to bridge the gap. Embracing a vegan diet can be incredibly rewarding, but it comes with unique nutritional challenges. While plant-based foods are nutrient-rich, certain vitamins and minerals can be harder to obtain. Vitamin B12, iron, calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for vegans. Vitamin B12 is vital for nerve function and energy metabolism, yet it's almost exclusively found in animal products. Fortified foods and supplements can help maintain adequate B12 levels and prevent irreversible damage. Iron is essential for oxygen transport and energy, but plant-based iron is less bioavailable. Boost your iron intake with legumes, tofu, dark leafy greens, and vitamin C-rich foods. Calcium is crucial for bone health and muscle function, and vegans need to ensure they meet their RDA. Incorporate calcium-rich foods like tofu, chia seeds, and fortified juices into your diet. Vitamin D supports immune function and bone health, but plant-based sources are limited. Consider vitamin D3 supplements or fortified foods, especially in winter or low sunlight areas. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart and brain health, but challenging to obtain from a vegan diet. Algae oil supplements provide bioavailable EPA and DHA, crucial for vegans. Choosing the right supplements can enhance your vegan diet and prevent nutrient deficiencies. Look for certified vegan labels to ensure your supplements are free from animal products. Third-party certifications verify the quality, potency, and safety of your supplements. Consult health practitioners to tailor your supplement regimen to your individual needs. Overdosing on nutrients like vitamin D and iron can pose serious health risks. Regular blood tests and consultations with healthcare professionals are essential. Certain supplements may interact with medications, reducing their effectiveness or causing side effects. Always consult with healthcare professionals before starting new supplements. Contamination with animal products in supplements is a significant concern for vegans. Choose reputable brands that prioritize transparency and third-party testing. Certified vegan supplements ensure ethical integrity and align with your dietary choices. A well-balanced vegan diet can provide many essential nutrients, but careful planning is key. Pregnant and lactating women may have specific supplement needs to support their health. Fortified foods like plant milks, cereals, and nutritional yeast can help meet nutrient requirements. Iron-rich foods like quinoa, seeds, and dried fruits can boost your intake. Cooking methods like boiling or steaming can improve the availability of non-heme iron. Regular monitoring of nutrient levels and dietary adjustments can significantly improve health. Unlock the full potential of your vegan journey with the right supplements and dietary choices.